Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. So today we're gonna go on a snowmobile ride. But before we go, gotta put some two-stroke oil in the snowmobile. So I thought I'd show you how to do it. In a 1996 Polaris Classic 500cc touring. So the first thing you want to do is open up the engine cowling or hood. Then the red one is coolant, and this one is the two-stroke oil. It's kind of hard on there. I'm going to pause the video, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, as you can see, mine's already a little bit almost full, but I will top it off just to make sure. Always good to be safe. So, what I'm going to use is some Polaris Premium Blue Synthetic Blend 2-cycle engine oil. It was what they had at the local Polaris place. So, you just open the bottle. Hopefully I can do this without a funnel and one-handed. And you just top it off. So, there you go. That is how you add 2-cycle oil to a 1996 Polaris Classic Touring. I hope this helped you out. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button. It helps. I'll see you guys later.